All right, so I'm here at a park. I'm going to unbox my DJI drone. Finally, the app that I have is UAV forecast, and it finally says that I'm good to go for flying. At first, when I got here, no go. It would said that it didn't have enough satellites, so I wanted to make sure that the KP was under 4 and it was 6 something, so it was not a good day for flying. So I am going to unbox it. I'm going to try to put it together, and then I know that there's a bunch of setup things that I have to do in order to get this drone to fly and me not lose it. All right, so there's a few things you have to do. You have to remember to take this plastic thing off. The cover was a little bit weird, and I always felt like I was going to break it, but I do get it off. And then you have to take the legs apart. It comes with the remote control. It's a little bit different. You've got 2 things, and then I have to attach my cell phone to it. So you just have to be careful as you open this up. So it is a little bit weird, and so you just have to flip everything open and then just make sure that you get it all ready to go and set up. So I'm not sure if I did this right. Oops, I think I didn't. So now we have to take the top ones off. You see, top ones first and then the bottom ones. So remember that. Top ones first and then the bottom. So a little bit of a faux pas on my part, but this is what learning first time around goes. So now I've got it ready to go. I'm going to put this away. I don't want to lose this plastic thing. All right, so I downloaded that DJI Fly app. So you're supposed to open this up, of course, and then something about making sure that you short and long to hear that click. And I think I got it on. That's what it's sounding like. So I got this on. So let's put this down a minute. And then I got to turn on my remote, which is again a short and a long. And you heard that beep. So that came on. Then you're supposed to pull this out, find the cord, and attach it to your phone. There's a lot of steps involved in turning this on. The hover is a lot easier and quicker, but again, doesn't give me that range that I want. So I want to be able to have both available just in case. Oh, and I'm getting bit by mosquitoes. This is a bad spot to be in, but it's the shade. So I know that I have to do some other things to make sure that I don't lose my drone. I did watch a video of someone on his first round. He broke the drone. I don't want to break my drone. I am at a park, and I wanted to make sure that I didn't go too far and I didn't go too high. There is another drone flying out here. He's big, and so I don't even know if I'll be able to fly this drone with him flying all around me. Might be a little bit uncomfortable for me. It's saying that I have really low satellite positionings, so I have to wait for that as well. I'm up to 6 satellites. They recommend 7 to fly safely, so I'm kind of waiting a little bit on that, and then we will see. Oh, I got my home point updated and I'm good to go. So I'm going to attempt to try to fly this for the first time. I'm kind of scared because what if I lose it? All right, I attempted to fly this thing from the grass. Guess what? It doesn't fly from the grass. This is why you need one of those mats. So time to order one of those mats off of Amazon, the little takeoff mats. So I did bring a book. So I'm gonna try to take my drone from the book and see if it will load there. All right, there's a little button right there. So you push the button. It shows you the takeoff. I don't know if you could see it. It's kind of dark. And then you hit the takeoff. Let's see if it will go. Ooh, it's in the air. It's in the air. I'm so excited. Let's see what happens. And of course, I forgot to put the little things on my... There we go. So I need these, don't I, to be able to maneuver. Again, beginner. This is a beginner. Don't judge me. I'm gonna hit the record button because of course if I don't hit record, nothing is gonna happen. So record, and I think I'm on picture. So, Oh, I think I have to go here. Maybe. Nope. So how do you record? Not sure. Oh, here we go. You hit this button here and then you hit video. And now you can hit video and hit record. So now I'm recording. I think I'm gonna bring it up just a little bit higher to see what that looks like when I bring it super high, and get it really above the trees like I want. And that way, which is what my hover was missing, that height that I wanted. It does a lot of really great things, but it doesn't get that height like I really want to be able to fly. I wanted to come home, so let's see, land, return to home. See, it says land and then it says return to home. So I think I'm gonna hit return to home just to see what that does, and hopefully it will return back to me. Oh, and it goes up to 30 meters because of course I made it super high to return back to me. Oh God, oh God. Okay. And then, wait, I'm gonna hit cancel. I don't know what it's doing, but I think I want it to come down. So I think I made the return to home too high. And this is what happened to the little video that I saw the other day. So let's make sure that my return to home is not that high. All right, I'm gonna try this one more time because I do want it to come back to my home space. I don't want it to just land randomly, so I don't know what I did wrong, so I'm gonna try to figure this out in the app. But it's pretty easy to use. It goes up really high. The video is amazing and it's very stable up there in the height. Of course, today is not a windy day. I do have 19 satellites going around, and it really says that it's a great, it says it's a great day to fly. So it is getting closer to sunset, and I am getting bit by mosquitoes. A lot of mosquitoes. This is Florida, of course. So I'm going to try that one more time, and all you do is hit this button right here, and then you hit the takeoff in the middle. Super easy. All right, I figured out why it went so high. I had the auto return to home altitude at 80 meters instead of 25. So overall, good first flight. I really love it. I think I'm gonna get used to it, and I just gotta practice. It's like anything else. Practice makes perfect, and so the more you take it out, the better it is.